Hello and welcome to Bull and Bear Invest. Today we're going to be looking at Amur Minerals. Amur Minerals has two large projects ongoing at this time. We've got the Coon Main project, which is located in the Far East Russian district. And we have the Roper Bar iron ore project located on the Northern Territory of Australia. Sticking with the Roper Bar iron ore project, from October 2020, Amur Minerals had 194,000 tonnes of stockpiled ore available to ship to China. This project does have a pit-to-port infrastructure in place consisting of a 174-kilometre paved access road with existing loading barge loadout facilities and product stockyard. A key point to note here is that Amur Minerals benefited from the 50% increase of iron ore during 2020. The price of iron ore has risen 79.4% since this time last year. Since the 30th of October last year, 3 vessels laden with iron ore have been shipped to China with the contents sold. The latest shipment is believed to have departed on the 14th of January this year. To ensure the shipments increase, the transportation of the existing stockpiles and processed blocks of ore to port is now operating at 24 hours a day. Amur Minerals do expect to commence mining new blocks in due course. Moving on to the Coon Main deposit in Far East Russia. A Journal of Engineering Researches states that we should be seeing 770,000 tonnes of nickel, 207,000 tonnes of copper, 15,200 tonnes of cobalt, 16,700 tonnes of platinum and 18,100 tonnes of palladium. Amur Minerals was delayed in submitting the bankable feasibility study, also known as the definitive feasibility study for this deposit. This was originally due for submission on the 1st of December 2020, however due to COVID-19 has delayed the processes and is now due to be submitted in Q1 of 2021. Work continues to advance the final sections of the report, however we are expecting an update on this shortly. Taking a quick look at the finances for the last year, we can see that the current price is 1.6. The year high has been 2.9, this was on the 12th of October, but the year low was fairly obvious at the 20th of March 2020. We have seen this with multiple companies and we know that this is related to the national lockdown caused by coronavirus or COVID-19. We understand that the sudden increase in the share price was caused by the release of the RNS confirming that Amur Minerals had received its first interest payment from the quarter of the 30th September 2020 from Nathan River Resources, who own the Roper Bar iron ore project located in the Northern Territories of Australia. So what have Amur Minerals got coming up in the near future that may cause the share price increase? Initially we've got the bankable feasibility study, or the definitive feasibility study, that is late being submitted as this was due on the 1st of December. However, we now know that Amur Minerals intend to have this fully processed by the end of Q1 of 2021. Additionally, being January, we are expecting the Q4 results and these are due imminently alongside the end of year results. Providing these reports show us good news or confirm that we are on track to making money, then we should see an increase in the share price. If you found the content in this video useful, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Bull and Bear Invest Chatter.